them a couple of the big sites in the inner city, and then I'd probably take them outside the city a little bit. There's some cool neighborhoods around the city center where a lot of people go there nowadays, but in the past people would really focus on the inner city of Copenhagen. So for me, I would take them out to, for example, Nørrebro, which is one of the neighborhoods, which is like a really cool sort of multicultural neighborhood with people from around the world, great food from around the world. There's a really cool cemetery out there where, for example, Hans Christian Andersen is buried, the one who wrote The Little Mermaid. So you can visit the grave where he's buried, and there's some cool park areas and so on. So just a really nice vibe in that neighborhood. And then there's a newish neighborhood called the Carlsberg City, which is actually the old brewery. So where the brewery used to be is nowadays a neighborhood. So it's where there's lots of people living in both the old houses that's been there for ages, but also new, very modern apartment buildings. And then there's like cafes and restaurants and little park areas and so on. So these are like the two neighborhoods that I really like to go to that are sort of a little bit different than the main city sites.